Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can download and install Cash App on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy process. You just have to go to your app store and type in Cash App as I have done and simply search it up. Then your particular search result will pop up. You can see Cash App and simply tap on this download icon, and once it's done being downloaded, you will simply see that particular app there in your home screen. You simply have to tap on it and create yourself an account and start using it. So that is simply the process for you to simply download and install the Cash App on your phone. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys